Hi, today I am printing on some tissue paper so I can use this print for decoupaging. I learned this awesome trick from Adrina over at Lexi Creations on Facebook. She had a little video showing, so I thought I would do my own and share. Now, what we do is take our tissue paper, and you want it just a little smaller than your printer paper. This is just a regular white 20-pound printer paper, and I'm just trimming this white tissue paper down a little smaller than the sheet. Then I am going to take a glue stick and just run it a little strip of glue along all four edges. You could do just the corners. I want to make sure it doesn't lift up as it goes through the printer, so I'm going to do all the edges. And then stick that down to my printer paper and just make sure it's smooth without wrinkles and that all the edges are pressed down. Now this printable, it was a free printable from Honeybee Printables. She sometimes on Facebook will give free printables. She also has, I believe it's an Etsy shop where she sells different printables. Lovely selection there. So my paper goes into my tray. My tissue paper side will be down because that's how my printer prints. And then, so I'll put my tray in, and then I'm just going to check my settings on my printer to make sure that it is going to print in color. So I have landscape, color, everything's good, so I'm going to print that. Here we go, it's printing. It's a beautiful print. I can't wait to use it. I'm going to decoupage a basket for a fall decoration. Oh, I had a little black there from my printer, but it doesn't ruin it. Now I'll just peel it off because that glue stick is not completely dry. And there we have our tissue paper print for decoupaging. Very neat, eh? Thank you, ladies, for sharing all your creativity.